Hello, in front of me I've got REMATCH. In this video I'll show you how to check your tier level. In the beginning, let's go to season and go to current season. Right here we've got Preseason. Enter it and here you can find tiers. Some rewards for tiers are locked only for Captain Pass, which costs about 10 euros monthly. Next, you can find rewards by pressing Y button, and here are free rewards and here are paid rewards. Luckily, paid rewards are only cosmetic. Here you can find your tier level. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, subscribe,